Hey, first graders, we are going to learn 2 new vocabulary words right now. The first word we're going to learn is clever. Okay, a person who is clever is quick to come up with ideas and solutions and answers. Okay, so the clever girl found the answer to the riddle. The next word is similar to something we talked about earlier in the year. Do you remember when we talked about symbols? Well, the word that we're going to do now is signal. You may remember that a symbol tells us or makes us think or feel certain ways. Well, a signal tells us to do certain things. So some signals could also be considered symbols. Now, here's an interesting thing. The word signal doesn't have its own sign in sign language. Instead, when somebody wants to sign signal, they spell it S-I-G-N-A-L. Let's do that again. Signal. S-I-G-N-A-L. Signal. Okay, we are going to decide with each of the sentences that we have on our page today, which word fits it best. Clever or signal. Are you ready? Here we go. We have here our vocabulary page, and we have the word clever and signal ready for you to refer to, so you make sure you spell it correctly for each sentence. The first sentence says, Kim gave a blank to Ted. I want you to write on the blank if it's Kim gave a clever to Ted or Kim gave a signal to Ted. Pause if you need more time to write. Number 2. The blank bear found the honey. The blank bear found the honey. The clever bear found the honey, or the signal bear found the honey? Pick your answer and write it in. Number 3. Class begins at the blink of the bell. Class begins at the blink of the bell. Class begins at the clever of the bell, or class begins at the signal of the bell? Write the answer, which makes no sense. And number 4, the boy is blank to use the log to help. The boy is blank to use the log to help. The boy is clever to use the log to help, or the boy is signal to use the log to help? Pick your answer and fill it in. That was quick. Do you think you got them all? I bet you did. Make sure you go back and check that you did the spelling correctly and used your best handwriting. Come back and check the answers tomorrow. Happy learning.